how to post TikTok on Instagram Story. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on Profile. Go to your feed and open any of your videos. If you want to share this video, go to the right side of the screen. Then, tap on the three dots as shown. Here, you can view all the sharing options as well as other options below. Now tap on Stories. Wait for the video to save. Then tap on Open to open Instagram. You will then be taken to the Instagram Story page. Now edit the video as you like using the added options above. Once you're done, tap on the arrow button below. Select your story. Then tap on Share at the bottom. You have successfully posted this video to your Instagram story. You can also share it with other friends from here. Then tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily post TikTok on Instagram Story.